Here we come to the elevator at Cinemark Theater at Memorial City Mall in Houston, Texas. It's a Schindler 330A. Unfortunately, the other elevator is broken. Still the same like I remember, too. Three is locked. Oh, and when I made the video back in 2012, there's a ramp right there. I thought when I filmed these elevators back in 2012, I did not realize that they had that they actually have a ramp to the side of the stairwell, on the corner end of the stairwell. If you guys have watched my videos for a long time, this is a revisit. We're gonna end it on 2. Listen to that door. Something is dangling off the side. We're gonna end it on 2. But yeah, if you guys remember, these elevators were from my early days on YouTube. So this is why I'm doing a revisit. And look at this. Somebody put duct tape on the screw. See, there's the ramp right here. All right, there it goes, and that's it.